Italy's most beloved dessert in just 5 minutes, no baking. Crumble the wafer sheets into a large bowl. Melt the butter in the heated saucepan. Add dark chocolate. Pour the chocolate over the wafers and mix a little. Add sour cream and mix well. Put the mixture into the bowl lined with plastic wrap and refrigerate the bowl for 40 minutes. Crack 2 eggs into the saucepan. Add sugar, vanilla sugar, flour. Pour in milk. Mix a little. Put the saucepan on the heat and pour in milk. Boil the cream, stirring continuously, until it thickens. Mix the cooled cream with hydrated gelatin in the bowl. Pour a little cream into the mold in the bowl. Peel 2 mandarins. Separate the mandarin segments and chop a few finely. Place mandarin segments and small pieces of mandarin over the cream. Fill the biscuit mold, alternating a few layers of pastry cream and mandarins. Level the last layer with a spatula. Wrap in plastic wrap and chill for 3 hours. Put frozen raspberries into the teapot. Add frozen sour cherries. Add a few thin slices of lemon. Tear mint leaves. Fill the teapot with hot water. Everyone will love this light, refreshing, and aromatic dessert with an intense mandarin flavor and lots of smooth cream.